Here's the recipe for my fried fish sandwich with chili crisp mayo. I reckon you could put this mayo on anything and it would taste unreal. Add garlic and shallots into oil and fry on low until lightly brown. Add chili flakes, chili powder, smoked paprika, sugar and salt into a heat-proof bowl. Once shallots and garlic are done, remove and strain onto paper towels. Heat the oil back up to 175 degrees Celsius, then pour through a strainer into the spices. Stir, then allow to cool. For the mayonnaise, add egg yolk, Dijon mustard, vinegar, avocado oil, chili oil, then blend until emulsified. Add fried shallots and garlic, then mix to combine. Julienne your spring onions and place straight into iced water. Let it sit for 30 minutes. I had a few of you ask what this does, and it just makes the onions go curly, which adds as a nice garnish. Once done, remove and drain onto paper towels. For the batter, add plain flour, onion and garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, along with cold beer or carbonated water. Mix to combine, make sure you keep this cold. Season fish with salt, then coat with plain flour before dipping into your batter. Allow excess batter to drip before placing into hot oil at 185 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Place butter into a pan and toast your brioche buns. If you're looking for more of my sandwich recipes, grab a copy of my sandwich ebooks. Hit the link in my bio or click the shop now button.
Oh man, that's good.